joto tini ane program ang chongya hai puno sujuk mangkam pai ka okay tini poila no koksani dara mangkam inefficiently ang poila no tini ADC Chairman Honorable Jagadish Devarma Bonang hrangkhawl Rivo Taitinero Leader of the Opposition Macam Onives Devarma no hrangkhawl Rivo Tai Honorable Joto Chini Legislators Tai Honorable CM Joto EM, MDC, ex-MDC, ex-EM, ex-MLA, tayo all the beloved government employees of the state and TTADC, tayo crew, tayo kormachari volunteers tongnay, oro tongnay joto no. Sini beroi motha, sikla motha, tai Tiprasa motha ni presiden ba oroje motha ni ongoi, painai joto na hrangkhawl riu. Tini mia bang kok sakat tini mainly ani bakau pai mani ongkalai je tini cleanliness. Jung je jaga tongpuno. Ani sakni ani wansuk mung no represent kainani truth koboi manai no jeni bising tongthum koboi manai ani bising tongklai ani samung bo clean ong nai clear ong nai tini jeni ketal legislator ro some of them will be first entering to assembly bravo hrangkhawl, they must begin with the best ideology towards the end of their career. Abo haitay no, chung hrangkhawl chengo, hrangkhawl chung payo. Opono, a successful human being. Tini mainly kormachari rok no, ang koinay, mainly naraw TTADC ni staff tini orobango mia tini kroksa lady legislator samani beroi rok tamako mong kahimani MLA ketal Madam Sapna butai isa remark thriu klai ka boni bai tini beroi rok ni presence bakuk kahamong ka abo kahamong ni bagai tai bisa chung joto wai sesak ADC as such maximum chini parani borok hills people villages ni phayo oro barau office of phai government official by barau malai ni badong tini simi may I appeal that each and every staff of TTADC should be very humble. Not to be humble by any visitors, but to remain humble, to serve the people. About First World War ong Second World War ong tabo current war ni je chini nangmani government employees naraw ni je contribution, naraw ni je share in the world, in the career, in the day-to-day life of the world. Kormachari rok, chung jokon sikla tongpuro, Tiprasa sarkar ni kormachari rok chini makhang solya rok no kormachari, chung thangklai bai koi hinjago chung, ki kore rok hinjago nge, abu uttor chini para ni je phai office klainani chini mane chung pogi thang Tamo bagai ang office of Paika, opposite yung muy tukuro yung itaw. We had been bewildered. Jono komor ito iklay kibo. Kintu, our simple and humble nature of being a government employee should be to encourage visitors, to be loved by the visitors, and to honestly attend to their requirement. Our TTA di sini, the Kormachari, member of advisor committee, isabaw ang aponi sana numutungo, the relation with the public, nini individual, nini personal din yung Kormachari. At the end of the day, salni sarigo jokon nung you return to your house, maybe male, maybe female, what is your simple reaction of your heart and your mind? Either whether you applied yourself, you conducted your behavior with the visiting public to their satisfaction or to your satisfaction. Nung isa public by encounter of money. Nung kuboy no, boni baka nung tong thok jak khlai ka, kiba nini samung bay nini baka tong de tong thok jak ka. Abo ani prasno tini, accordingly as an elder, ang naraw no, sanin mo chumo, tay chini, Jakarta first time legislators online. First time, jetabo MLA online. Mia, chung one kok kanaka, jone kok saka, brownie challenge tong mani, chung nugo, bahai tay chini ha chini jati no, uplift hai nani, jone ne challenge tong mani. I have observed, I remark, brow. Nini ani bagai bisingo ta mo life achieve klai nai hai tong khang lai barao onek saka thangban nai onek kotor bumung bong mano, but what will be his ultimate achievement? Tini onek MLA tongo 60 bosor 50 bosor ongkha Brownie family, no brow, serve klayo, not to the voters, not to the people. But they will come on matongo. Ponchas brow soy sad art no dos bar MLA on naitongo, MP on nairo botongo, MDC ro botongo. Into what will be their achievement when they sit to write their biography? What will be their topic to write? Brau obotoy ani ha ani jati ni bagai ang khai kha ani short span of life o kiba legislator o abo khai kha abo brau suinai nango sanai nango angbo out of 6 1 ongkha out of one ongoi tong kanggo MLA tong puro, and I fought my fight ani juddo ang kham khlai no ma khlai kha ang sai sung puno pal tong khlai ba pal ro by sharing khlayo brownie samane no ang srungo tini khub good orator legislator ok semazoron babu rok tongo nogen babu rok tongo Rabindra Babu rok tongo, merau khub kaham klai nai thok klai kana thok jagai Bidhan Sabha bisingo sanani. In the youngster bisingo, chini tabok opposition leader Onimesh Babu bo nai thok ebong effectively merau sajogai sabu. This is fact. Okay? Aboni bising toi nini achievement tamong nai. Nung si tini Jonoprotinidhi yung mani, what will be your achievement? As a group, as a party, as individual. Naraw CEO, airport, ni statue Maharaj Bir Bikram aponi jokhon issue phaika aphrong saisung na MLA I fought my fight ani juddho ang khlaikha tini abo chung nugo I care nobody inside the well of the assembly I fought my fight also boni bagai ang durbol ang rungya bote kiu ma sayong nai you are the best hero you are the best hero and heroine of our people you must take the challenge boni bagai oboni opposite line obo baksa borok thango baksa power mongers tongo power ongnani muchungo baksa public ni ongyawoi nije ni tongthok mamar tublayo aibo tongo kintu browni end of the life browni sanani komongno tamong nai ang opono bar sawo kuno national party nungno kaham naigala 5 বছর sekang chini Tiprasa rogno bortoman national party by tongoi bo jaga thangi sokha they could not control their love for some other things then their motive their aim and object browse kabui jati no hamjagai apmani oboni pathar oboni baire go something else they were tempted our temptation ni brau khari thangmaya national party tabok jara Tripura ni bagai as a party brahmu saklai maya ko kintu regional party as such regional party chung fight khlayo chung andolon khai no achievement ja Tripura mani ancholik party rok no ma khlayo o ancholik party ni no tini the biggest number of legislator chini Maharaj Pradut Kishore Manikko ni netritwa chung tini mano tini chini chairman Pradut Kishore Manikko unwell tini khanabo bini treatment ni phirok nani ko bo full ro phainai phaya ang bosiya on his behalf and my behalf party ni representative ongoi ang ochengno narono best wishes ribo ebong chung kanoi noi no chini pakhau sob somoy best wishes tabok je legislator ongmani brano chung ya phairobo ebong we will be hoping and expecting diagramming of our future chini Tripura ha future ni diagram bayong nai oborok brao nirnoy ma khlai nai ebong kuno manoi khub hurriedly khlai thani chung derao sobche aroni nangmane stability chini nango chini bakhao phar ongoi baksa jibono 5 বছর 10 বছর party khlayako rajnaitik khlayako social service khlayako opotoi botini legislator ongkha aiba tongmano kintu bro quickly they can pick up the nature of being legislator aborono brao base ma khlainai ebong they must have integrity with their originality the party tomoino brau tini MLA ongka party tomoino tini je highest constitutional position ro abo haitoino nung exercise khai mannai within the well of the assembly tini boli bagai they must build up they must establish example in the house of the assembly with certain points they will have to come across various issues abo barau bakhaw kachung bakhaw clean tongklaino from above sakani understanding knowledge wisdom ma phayo ang tini kabang porekha ang tini kabang potrika porewo history porewo abo bai je idea knowledge ang mamane present social service for your own land, for your own people. The science of politics is quite different. Abono tini baro pick up khlainai baro butiro no base khlainai tini je senior tongnai in the field of legislation any election any elected representative ni role bahayong nai tini bisingo baksa senior tongo tini ADC ni je honorable chairman Jagadish Devarma botongo je system chung habbo je system bai chung aro ma chalogo this is fairly same parliament ong thung in the parliament chung je study khlai mani chung je nai mani nok mani abo issue different ong mano international issue national issue state issue local issue small issue tung chini Tiprasa bagai small issue no kaam jada adequately we have to reply je emon issue phainai neni area bisingo neni makhang sol nai rong bagai neni career ni je manoi bai nung gap mani apuni challenging issue phainai apuna timely supplement nung ma khlainani abutoi rong nara toyar mong nai first salabang saka you have to study the situation phainai butor study ma khlainai tini end of my speech I like to conclude with each one of you today, and above that I would like to give thanks to the employees of TTADC and the state central ongthung je oro phainai you will renew your mindset please renew khlaidi narone bakha tabo jora public bai bikhra public juda juda ni jaga phainai brau bai narau je encounter ong mani brau bai narau je phai niri no phai tamo chubachu sankha rani chubachu simia official table to table then simple kolombai suinani ro challenge phainai ebong nung besik honest khoroksa visitors no naro bakha shanti khlai nung rimanani kogya kuno clerical samungo chungri mani mungsa krui kintu bakha kaham ebong guidance nirao rinani as your elder tini tawisa ang renew khlayo please renew your mind so that you become one of the best friend of visitors from the villages that they will be really returning with different mindset just enjoying your behavior and your guidance. Obono tini ang sanen mo chungo, tayo bisa tini je organized khainai, brau joto no, kuno jaga brau ni proceeding of the program o, deraya tui, ko paithak jora, abo kaham khetham thung, kuno jaga chung misong puno, abo derok po chung cordon ma khainai, asuk na sawe ani ko paikha, joto no hambai kormachari